Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You will start by focusing on the exact phrases that matter. Sign into Google with your business account, then open alerts and paste one high-value keyword or phrase. Use quotes to lock exact matches and minus signs to exclude noise. Once done, pick the delivery cadence and the target language or region to filter irrelevant hits. Make sure to route alerts to a dedicated inbox or label for easy triage, because quick sorting saves time when volume grows. Once initial alerts run, refine them with search operators to reduce false positives. Combine terms with or for variations, use site, domain to monitor specific outlets, and add term to remove recurring spam. Then expand sources to include blogs, videos, and discussions where your niche appears. Make sure to duplicate and tweak alerts for product SKUs or regional spellings to scale coverage. Regularly review alert volume and tighten keywords. You'll finish by turning alerts into workflow. Label and route emails, forward urgent hits to the right team, and log mentions in your tracking sheet. Once done, create short response templates for PR or customer issues so you can act fast. If results are missing or overwhelming, test a broader keyword set, then incrementally narrow with exclusions and exact matches. Make sure to rerun tests and check your account settings if alerts stop. Often a delivery or language filter causes silence.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.